Hey guys, welcome to a mod review of the AetherCraft mod by Icon Master on the Minecraft forums. This mod adds 2 blocks and 2 items, but these 4 things that it adds are very nice and adds some nice functionality into the game. Now, the first block we have here is the Ether Manipulator. It is crafted as such, so not that bad considering what it does. If you look inside of it, it kind of looks like a chest, except it has a gauge up here and many other things here. Now, how you use it is that, let's say I wanted more nether stars and I didn't want to continually have to kill withers. Well, I would just put that up here. As you can see, it requires 32,768 AVs. You can also display the item's AV over, if you hover over it and hold shift. Now, I have lots of diamonds here, so I'm going to start converting these into a nether star. So you can see I put in one, which has an AV value of 8,192. And as you can see, it consumed the diamond and it added 8,192 AV into the manipulator. Now, if we keep dropping in diamonds, bam, we get another star. Now, we're just going to put all those in. As you can see, we get 16 nether stars. Now, of course, if we reverse this, let's pull out that nether star, 16 in there, diamond in there, we get a stack of diamonds. So as of right now, it is lossless, but I'm sure that will change in future patches. Now, on to the next block, which is called the Ether Container, which can hold a charge and transfer it to the Ether battery, which we'll get to how to craft that in a second. Now, the Ether Container is crafted as such, which is fairly expensive, 4 diamonds, 4 obsidian, and a glowstone. Fairly expensive for this. And yeah, all it does, it is basically a battery to the Ether manipulator and can charge the Ether battery, which you can see here. Now, these are very cheap to craft. Some gold, some glass, and a glowstone dust. We'll take this. And what this does is it can hold an AV charge that you can use on anything, which I will show you in a second. Then the final item in this mod is the flying ring. Now, it doesn't let you fly for free, sadly, and is quite expensive with the nether star. The emeralds, the gold, the feather, all that stuff, but nether star makes it incredibly expensive. Now, as you can see, my ether battery is dead and I have the flying ring. When I try and fly, it won't let me. Now, how I power this ring to let me fly is, oh, there we go, I have some crap in here. As you can see, I have a bunch of emeralds in here, which are giving me an AV value, since it consumes some, of 147,824, which is being transferred over to the container, which is fully powered. Now, these blocks must be next to each other. They cannot be apart like that. That won't work. They must be like this. Then, to power the battery, all we do is stick it in. It will instantly fill up, which is quite nice. Then, yep, a couple emeralds were consumed, but that is okay. Then, it doesn't matter where the flying ring is in your inventory. Now that the battery is powered up, we can just double tap space and away we go. Now we can fly around, fly over here, gaze at the squids in this nice closed-in lake. Now, flying is relatively expensive. It costs you 8 AV per second to fly. to put that in perspective, a dirt block or a grass block is 1 AV. So every second I'm consuming 8 grass blocks in order to keep myself levitating above the ground. So you will need a decent setup to keep yourself in the air for long periods of time. But other than that, it's a very, very handy mod for easy flying. And yeah, if you wish to download this mod, the link will be in the description. And I hope you enjoyed, and enjoy your adventures flying around in your Minecraft world. Goodbye.